everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan and today we're going to be doing a long awaited tutorial. I haven't done a tutorial in a hot minute now, but it's this look right here, which is inspired by the Too Faced White Peach palette. And now I do not own the palette myself. I just took colors that were similar to the palette of the campaign that they came up with for the White Peach palette. I just fell in love with the way the peach color looks mixed with the purple. They just look so good together. Like the color combination is it's just beautiful. And so this is what it came up with. Almost like a cut crease in a way with the concealer cut. I hope you guys enjoy it. And before we go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell as well to be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you would like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So starting off with the eyes, I already prepped my eyes with the MAC 24-Hour Extend Eye Base, the Prep and Prime. And then now I'm going to be setting my lids with this color right over here, which from the Morphe 35O palette, taking this new color right over here. Now for my transition shade, I'm going to be going into this shade right over here. For the crease, I'm going to be intensifying it with this shade right over here. For my outer corner, for the dark purple, I'm going to be mixing Exorcism and Worship. For the lids, I'm going to be taking the Heavy Metal palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to be taking the shade Starfire. I'm also going to be spraying my brush with Fix Plus. And now for the interesting part, I'm going to be taking my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm going to be cutting the crease to make this kind of effect. So for foundation, I already did the Jouer foundation and the Nars Natural Radiant foundation. This combo together, yes, this is already extremely full coverage, and then this one together, perfect, because this one is a little bit too light. That's why I decided to mix it with another foundation that I really like as of recently, which is these two right over here. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. We're gonna fix that. Is it love? All we need is love. The Beatles said prophecy is love. Do re mi fa sol la ti is love. I'll be setting my under eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm getting hella oily, so I'm just going to go over with the blot powder from Fenty Beauty. For contour, I'm going to be taking the Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin contour powder. For bronzer, I'm going to be taking the Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer from The Balm. And it looks like this. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Amrezy and Anastasia collaboration. And I'm so excited to try this out. look how cool that looks. It looks like a really bougie blotting sheet, if I've ever seen one. Oh! For blush, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. blush palette in the dark, and I'm going to be taking this peach shade right over here. For my waterline, I'm going to be taking the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil from Urban Decay in this shade Distortion. And then I'm going to smudge the liner and then go over my lower lash line with the Devil shade from the Kat Von D Saint Center palette. I'm actually going to go over this part of the lower lash line, the inner lower lash line, with the same purple color I used on the outer corner. I'm also going to go over the cut again with more concealer to make it more brighter. Going to be setting my brows with the MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set in the shade Bold Brunette. This is a brand new one since I finished my last one. Going to be setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. For lashes, I'm going to be putting on the Cocoa Lashes in the style Amour. So like, I totally forgot to put on mascara, so I'm going to start with this eye, putting on mascara, and then I'm going to attempt to apply mascara on this side. Fail. So for the lips, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Single. And this is the finished look.
Tell me what you want, so I can understand your love. Help me understand your love, 'cause you're going about this all the wrong way, and I can't figure out what you wanna say. Help me understand.